Hey guys, what's up? My name is Shreyas and today in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make a fidget spinner. So for making a fidget spinner you need these bearings. You will easily get these bearings at any hardware shop near you. I got one for 50, like four for 200. So when you make a fidget spinner, you just need these bearings to be as smooth as possible. But when you get these bearings, these are greased, like they are greased with something which is not good for the fidget spinner, which doesn't allow this bearing to move. Like they are really hard, like this they move when it is greased. So what you gotta do is just get a container and pour some acetone, like pour some acetone into the container and remove this outer layer of the bearing, this like this, and like you can see the grease up here, and you just drop like both the sides and you just drop this bearing into the container. And once you do this, you just need to shake it well, and all you'll see is grease coming out from this bearing. So later you need to throw all the acetone, and then you need to put this in the soapy water. Like you need to prepare some you need to get some water and some soap, and you need to drop all the four bearings. So now among all the four, I feel that this one is the fastest of all, so I'll just get this bearing in between these three. Like if you see this, it's not that great. And this one too, they are okay, but this is the best. So I decided to keep this in between these. So I got this lace, like to cover this from here like this. So I'll just get to that later. I'll keep this lace aside, and I've got Fevikwik up here to just apply it here. And guys, I'll be back. I'll just get a paper. So I've got a paper with me up here, and what I'll do is just apply this Fevikwik between these. I got this for 10 rupees. You can see it up here, 10 rupees. And so I just tore this and got it up here with me. Now what I'll do is just put a drop of Fevikwik here. Put a drop of Fevikwik here, and I'll apply it here. Okay, so if you place it on the table and do this thing, so they will be aligned properly, like straight. They will be aligned straight. Actually, I don't know if they are proper or no. I hope they are okay. See, you can see they are good. Okay, I feel I need more Fevikwik. Okay, it's good. No. So guys, I just applied some Fevikwik up here, and as you can see, I got this spinner up here, and I'm gonna apply this lace on the borders of this spinner. So you just see this. Perfect. So guys, finally I have the result here, and you can just see this. It's pretty cool and I'm loving it actually. So this is whole DIY fidget spinner, and like it costed me around 300, but it's cool. See, I don't know how to, but it's cool. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and just stay tuned for more videos and subscribe my channel if you're watching this video for the first time. Goodbye.